Begin by excavating the hole for the Rhino high-density polyethylene manhole. The hole needs to be at least 6 feet in diameter and 12 inches below the depth of the manhole outlet. Backfill the area where the manhole base will sit with 12 inches of crushed rock or gravel in the bottom of the hole. This is to provide a stable base for the Rhino. In all cases, project specifications must be adhered to. Place the Rhino base in the excavated hole over the backfill material. Settle it in place by gently moving it back and forth. Verify that the elevation and levelness of the Rhino base and the orientation of the outlet and inlets is correct. The area around the base should be backfilled with crushed rock, gravel, or sand to the bottom of the anti-flotation ring of the Rhino base. Care should be taken to backfill and compact around the base uniformly. After backfilling, the Rhino base should be checked to ensure that it is still in the proper position. Clean the gasket area of the Rhino base and install the Rhino gasket over the lip of the base. Lubricate the Rhino gasket and place the riser or cone section as applicable on the base section. Verify that the gasket has been retained in the proper position by running the fingers between the lip of the base and the next component. The gasket should be at a uniform height around the diameter of the base. If the gasket is not uniform, remove the upper component, riser or cone, and replace the gasket in the proper position. Replace the upper component as before, recheck the gasket position, repeat as necessary. As the riser sections are installed, the sections must be backfilled uniformly in 12-inch lifts and compacted to 90%. Repeat placing the riser sections and/or cone section as needed until the finished height is accomplished. Backfill to specification height using crushed stone, gravel, or sand around the sections to the full height of the finished Rhino. Another successful installation of a complete Rhino manhole system. Contact Rhino USA of Oregon for more information.